Guys, look at this. We're about probably 25 kilometers from the Uwa. We're about 25 kilometers. We're about 25 kilometers from the shore, and it's really rough weather. Look at this. Holy shit. Look. Like, this is really rough weather. It's going up and down, and this is awesome. Holy shit. God. Oh wow, this is awesome. Everyone on the boat is really freaking out. Like, really scared. Look. Except for Ian, he's drinking. And if you can hear the motor's going roar, roar, roar. Oh shit, look at that. Oh my god. This is awesome. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh shit. It's probably so wet. Oh, hang on, here we go. Big one coming up. Oh shit. Oh wow. We're so far from land. That's land over there. Oh wow, you can't even see it. That's land over there, about, I don't know, 15 k's, 20 k's. And we're going about 20 kilometers an hour. So we've got at least another hour of this. Look at the waves, the size of the waves.